Then I realized couples massage isn't just a love language of physical touch, but it can apply to other love languages as well. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I know many couples are stuck at home during the lockdown, and some are very stressed out. This week, I'll talk about the benefits of couples massage using one of my favorite books, The 5 Love Languages by Dr. Gary Chapman. If you haven't read this is a must-read if you are in a romantic relationship, especially if you feel your love is not well received by your partner. Love language is how you express your love and how you feel loved when it's expressed to you. After counseling so many couples, he discovered that people's love languages can be categorized into 5 different expressions: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. When I heard physical touch, I was so happy because I love teaching couples massage. I am definitely one of them because I cherish giving and receiving physical touch. So it's very good that I'm a massage therapist and now I get to share how to do it better to others in need. Then I realized couples massage isn't just a love language of physical touch, but it can apply to other love languages as well. Couples massage can be acts of service because you're doing something for your partner. You can do the dishes or taking out the trash or vacuuming the floor. In this case, the service is massage, and your partner feels good, you feel loved and relaxed. How awesome is that? Couples massage can be a love language of quality time. It's the time you spend massaging each other without distraction. After spending the quality time with focus and purpose, you will be so relaxed mentally and physically and feel loved. Couples massage can be a love language of words of affirmation. When I teach, I emphasize on the importance of clear communication, and I encourage couples to praise when something feels good. The positive reinforcement works because when my massage client says something like, "Oh, that feels good," or "It feels amazing," it makes me want to do more. If you are giving massage, you can say something appreciative or comforting to your partner as you come across a knot, because knots are there for a reason or reasons, and it may come from stress and anxiety. That way you will feel loved while giving or receiving massage. Lastly, couples massage can be a love language of receiving gifts. Well, it's not like flowers or jewelry, but to make it tangible gift, you can create a massage gift certificates or massage coupons for your partner to redeem right then on the spot or later. I know I'm stretching a little bit here. So as you can see, the couples massage can be an expression of multiple love languages besides obvious physical touch. And the main benefit is that you feel loved. Besides, you feel connected, bonded, relaxed, and comforted by your partner. I am currently working on improving my couples massage course, and I need your help. I have online survey in the link below, which will help me understand your needs. And this is something you can fill out even if you're single right now. If you can fill out the survey by the end of this Sunday, May 3rd Pacific Standard Time, I will enter you into a giveaway of the couples massage course. Please check the link below for more details. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. And click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out.